for today's video is mag-unboxing tayo ng squishy ice cube squeezy ball. Ayan. Oh my god, di siya random. Ay, random pala siya, pero but I want it. So, mayroon pa ito buksan. Let's go. Oh my god! May rugby!
Welcome back. No bun. Finger licking time.
The double down is back.
Banana. You couldn't wait to eat the Oreos. This is how you eat an Oreo.
Bumabalik siya, guys.
74 pesos only.
Bumabalik siya. O, di ka hawakan na. Wait lang. Iskis ko muna. Bumabalik yan. Bumabalik siya. Wait lang.
Oh, teka lang. Bakit ako pinapaalis? Eh, hindi nga ikaw yung pinunta ko dito eh.
O, di ba?
Dr. Audrey and feed her these wild theories about her daughter. She's already been through
So, ayun lang ang vlog ko for today. Kasi, ito lang naman yung nakita. Ito lang naman na-unbox ko eh. So, goodbye. Pero, kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para updated kayo sa vlog ko. New vlog ko. Bye! Bye! Excuse mo. Tatakpan ko na.